A very good morning, dear students. Today we will be starting our new chapter, that is chapter number 7, fractions. So first of all, what is a fraction? Fraction means a part of whole. What is the fraction? It means a part of whole. Let us do some of the problems so that you will be able to understand what is a fraction. Here I have written a question. Write the fraction of colored area. I have drawn here three figures. This is A, this one figure is B, and this one figure is C. Now look at the first one figure, this A. I have drawn a triangle. I have divided it into how many parts? 1, 2, 3 and 4. It is divided into 4 equal parts. So in the denominator, that is at the downside, I will be writing 4. And how many part I have colored here? I have colored only the one part. So I will be writing 1. So how I will be writing this figure? I will be writing this figure as 1 upon 4. So this 1, the number which is there upside, this is known as the numerator. And the number which is present at the downside, it is known as the denominator. Now let us revise this again. Here what I have done, I have drawn here a triangle. Look at this triangle, how many parts are there? 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is divided into 4 equal parts. So at downside I will be writing 4. And how many part I have colored here? 1. So 1 by 4. Now how you will be writing this figure into the fraction? First of all, count how many parts are there. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 parts are there. So I will be writing 4. Downside I will be drawing a line. Then how many part I have shaded here? 2 and 4. 2 parts are shaded. This, so I will be writing 2 by 4. Now look at this figure, last one. In how many parts it is divided? This is 1, 2, this is 3, 4 and 5. It is divided into 5 equal parts. So at the denominator I will be writing 5. And here how many parts I have shaded? 1, 2 and 3. I have shaded 3 parts. So I will be writing it as 3 by 5. Now let us do another question. What if I do not shade this fraction? And if I ask you the question, let us do another question. Color each of the following figures to show the given fraction. Here what you have to do? You have to color each of the following figure. We have to color each of the following figures to show the given fraction. We have to color it to show the given fraction. So the A, what is given? We have to show half fraction. And here I am drawing the figure, this one. So here you can see 2 equal parts are there. What I have to show? I have to show 1 by 2. So 2 equal parts are there. Here upside 1 is written. So what does it means? I have to shade only the one part of it. I will be shading only the first part of it. So it means 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 means total 2 parts are there. Out of these 2 parts, only the first part is been shaded. Let us do the second question. In that it is written 1 by 4. You have to show the fraction 1 by 4. I am drawing here a figure. This is a figure. How many parts are there? The circle is divided into 4 equal parts. Here the circle is divided into the 4 equal parts. 4 parts are there. Now I have to show here 1 by 4. So I will be shading only here 1 is written, so any one part you can shade. Any one of the part you can shade here. So it shows 1 by 4th fraction in this given figure. If I change this question, students, instead of 1, if I write here 2, then what you will be doing? You have to show 2 by 4th of this fraction in this figure. Then you have to shade any 2. You can shade any 2 of this figure. Any 2 part you can shade. Now this is 2 by 4. Now what if I want to show here 3 by 4? 3 by 4. Then you will be shading one more part. So here you can see that out of the 4 parts, out of the 4 total, 3 parts are shaded. Now if I tell you to write in numeral form, to write in numeral form, we have to write in numeral form. We have to write in the numeral form. Suppose the first question is given, it is 1/3. 1/3. You have to write the 1/3 in the numeral form. Then you have to write 7/9 in the numeral form. So how you will be writing? First, what is written, beta? 1/3. 1/3 is written. So how you will be writing? 1/3. It is 1/3. Next is 7/9. So first of all, you will be writing 7, and then 9th is written. So you will be writing 9. Now if in the opposite form it is given that write the fraction in words, we have to write the fractions in words. Then how I will be writing? If in the question, if it is asked to write the fraction in words, we have to write the fraction in words. The first fraction that is given is 1/9. The second that is given, it is 7/9. Then how I will be writing these fractions in words? In words, how I will be writing? Here what is given? 1. So I will be writing 1, a dash, small dash in between, then 1/9. How I will be writing this fraction? Here 7 is written, so I will be writing 7, a small dash in between, then is 9, so I will be writing 9. In this way, we will be writing the fraction in words. So students, after just going through this video, you can do exercise 7a. I have discussed exercise 7a questions in this video. So that's all for today's class. Have a nice day.